Have you ever wondered how to turn a concept into a successful product? Welcome to a comprehensive guide that breaks down this complex process into 13 manageable steps. The first step is to identify a problem or need in the market. Look for a gap that your product can fill or an aspect it can improve upon. The second step is conducting thorough market research. This will provide invaluable insights about your potential customers and competitors, enabling you to refine your concept and set your product apart. Thirdly, develop a clear product vision. Sketch out the key features, functionality, and benefits of your product. Visualization is crucial at this stage. Step 4 is about creating a prototype to test and refine your product. This is an opportunity to gather feedback from potential customers and make necessary adjustments before investing in full-scale production. Fifthly, collaborate with engineers and designers to finalize the technical and aesthetic aspects of your product. It should be user-friendly, functional, and visually appealing. The sixth step involves rigorous testing to ensure your product meets quality standards and specifications. Consider bringing in external experts for an objective evaluation. Step 7 is all about developing a comprehensive marketing strategy. Define your target audience, set clear objectives, and identify the most effective channels to reach your audience. The 8th step is crafting persuasive branding and packaging. Tell a compelling story that communicates the unique value of your product and resonates with your target market. Ninthly, set a competitive price that reflects the value and quality of your product. Take into account factors such as production costs, competitor pricing, and profit margins. The 10th step is planning a memorable product launch. Generate buzz and excitement through social media, influencers, and traditional marketing tactics. Step 11 involves securing manufacturing partnerships or establishing your own production facilities. A reliable and efficient supply chain is crucial to meet customer demands. 12thly, maintain clear communication with your suppliers and closely monitor production. Regular quality control checks are necessary to guarantee consistency. The final step is to develop a robust customer support system. Providing exceptional post-purchase assistance and promptly addressing concerns can turn happy customers into brand ambassadors. Congratulations! You have successfully navigated the journey from concept to market-ready product. Remember, it takes dedication, innovation, and perseverance to succeed in the competitive marketplace. Thank you for your time. Subscribe for more insightful content like this. Until next time.